how to enable or disable automatic updates on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the main watch face by pressing on the crown button. In here, press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on general. After that, tap on software update. Then tap on automatic updates. Now from here, you can turn off automatic updates or switch it on by tapping on the toggle button. And that's it, so tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. And here say automatically install software updates overnight after they have been downloaded. You will receive a notification before updates are installed. And that's it. If you're happy, just press on the crown button to return back to your watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.